On today's episode of Food Would Not Let Me Get Back to My Past Glory. So this is the present, but I want to get back to this. Yes, I know the difference is not that much, but the temptation has been real. And food would not let me get back. So come and see my epic fail or success at losing weight in 1 week.
Hey Darry, so today I'm going to start my weight loss journey again. So I've managed to lose weight from 107, that's the biggest I've ever been. That was postpartum, pregnancy and all whatnot, to 85. Now, my downfall started during Easter. I ate a lot, the whole occasion, doing this, doing that. It's all good and nice. Now, I have gained weight again from 84, 85, which was, I loved the weight. I loved it, like I wanted to be 84, 85. My lowest I wanted to be 80, my highest I wanted to be 84, 85. But, but for some reason, I have gained it back. Not for some reason, I had been overeating, obviously, I know. Over snacking and the rest. So now I have gained back the weight, but not like actually weighing 89. So I need to, for me to get back to my 84, 85, I need to lose like 4 or 5 kg. And if you know anything, like, if you're gaining weight and anything about it, is like, if you let it go, like, you're like, oh, it's not that bad, it's not that bad. Before you know it, you have gained ×2. So I have to be very radical about this. So I'm going to be starting to eat my 1 meal a day for a week, and then see how it goes, see where I lose to, and then I'm going to start eating twice a week, counting calories and all whatnot. Gosh, why can't I just eat? Why is it, sometimes I just think my interest, I'm like, why is it that all these things that we like, ice cream or pizza, all this, pete food that we like, why is it not the healthy food? God knew that these ones will enter our eyes. Why did he not make it the healthy food and say, vegetables are unhealthy? Human beings are insatiable. Maybe if he had done that, we'll start cooking vegetable meat and all whatnot. I know my problems, but I'm trying to curb it and nip it and get back to what we used to, get back to it. So, but it's going to be a hard 1 week. It's really going to be a hard 1 week, but we're going to do it because we have to do it. It's getting out of hand now. Like, kind God, please. Some people eat and eat and eat. This God's February. They don't know. They don't know some miracle that God is doing in their life. You just eat small something, eat small cake, eat small this here, small something. You're not even eating it the way you want to, but the air is coming, the heat is coming. But I know I did over snack, which snacking has always been my problem, not even the food itself, because I'm not a heavy food eater, but I love junk food. You understand? So yeah, I know that's my problem, but let's see how these 3 days will go, Lord Jesus. So dear diary, we are documenting this. So I am currently weighing 89.3. So this is a Monday. Yes, this is a Monday. 1 meal a day. I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat at the end of the day. And after doing it for 1 week, we'll review what we'll get for 1 week, and then we go again the next week. Stay with me, God please. I'm not promising that I'm going to be eating clean. I'll still eat snacks if it falls within my calorie budget for the, like my calorie allowance for the day. One day, they cut it all off. Sorry, no, I don't have that amount of discipline. Let's take this discipline hustle 1 step at a time. Let me curb what I'm eating, and then as long as I'm just going to make sure that my portions are good for the day, and then Machi shoe. I'm just going to make sure that my portions are good. Machi, shh. I'm just going to make sure that my portions are good, and I'm not overeating again. I'm not overindulging, and we're good to go. Let's get this started. Yeah. And then taking more walks, like regular walks. I'm going to be doing that the days I can, I will. But everybody knows that the major thing for weight loss starts in the kitchen. Exercise helps, it fast tracks, helps building. But my major task is what I'm eating, because I know that's my problem. So yeah, I'm going to take a walk. Yeah, the days I can, the days I'm free to do it, I will do it. Then let's see is it by Monday or should we do it by Sunday? We'll see what we get to. Let's see by Sunday or by Monday. Yeah, see you. So I'll be having this mango. Yeah, that's the first meal. Couldn't wait till 6 p.m. Jerry. It's currently to 4, so I'm eating something because I actually cooked, so I had to test the food. It was just a few spoons. So yeah, this and that and water, and then maybe by 6, yeah, I wanna have, you know, the proper meal for the day. See ya. So this is the meal. More salad, tomato rice, plantain with meat. I'm having this lemon. For some reason, I don't like to put it in hot water. I just like to lick it like that. So it's not that bad. I've missed doing this. So yeah, we're going to have this morning and some water till when we're hungry later in the day. And wait, let me not lie, you know, we're being honest. When I finished eating that rice, because yesterday it was very hectic. I was moving, I was so active. So when I had that rice, around 8 thereabout, I felt a bit hungry, so I had popcorn. Yeah, but I shared it with someone, so I had popcorn, we shared it, so yes. So I did snack on popcorn, yeah. But it still doesn't change a thing. Don't be too strict on yourself. Gradually, understand? We'll get there. Yeah, where it gets so tough is that you want to drop everything that you love at the same time. It's not that possible. Take it easy. So let me finish this. See ya. vegetables and eggs. Yeah, see ya. Let's go eat. So, quick one. I'm doing this in the dark because I ate it in the dark. So quick one, my loves. I just had cake. I just had to snack. But we'll see what we weigh in the morning. Let's see. Ooh, this is the size of cake that I had. Yum. Hopefully it doesn't alter everything. But I just had to. Yeah. After eating cake, this is the repercussion. So quick update, after 1 week I lost 1 kg. Yeah, which is like 2 pounds. But it's not a bad thing. So the diary, this is 1 week later. So at first I said I was going to be doing 1 meal a day, but baby girl did not do it. I think because I'm kind of more active now. I have a lot doing, chasing around the toddler and doing other things. Like I kind of start feeling lightheaded, tummy aches and the rest. So I didn't really continue with that. So instead I dropped it to 2 meals a day, you know, eating more like brunch style, and then early dinners, and you know, drinking more water and the rest. And that worked because your baby girl dropped 1 kg. Yeah, so now we're going to be aiming for 1 kg per 1 week, 1 kg per 1 week. So yes, so is it a success? Yes, it is a success. It is actually what is recommended, or even less is actually recommended per week, but we're pushing it, we're hassling it. So if you're doing this journey of, you know, you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to maintain the weight, and you feel like whatever you're doing, your body's giving you signs, I think you should stop, reevaluate, you know, look for something else and readapt and do something that works for your body. At the end of the day, we're trying to turn this into a healthy lifestyle and not a quick, you know, fix thingy. So we're trying to turn it into a lifestyle. So building a lifestyle, building a change or whatever it is takes time. So just take your time, gradual process makes the bigger goal. Yeah, so let's do it 1 week. So I'm actually aiming for 1 kg a week, 1 kg a week till I get to my ideal weight. But fingers crossed, we're getting there. So yes, I do not do 1 meal a day. For that I was not that book. This life is not that hard. So yeah, see you, dear diary, until the next page.